What's up, guys? Welcome back to the blog. Today we're going to be doing some preventative maintenance on my side-by-side. I haven't ridden the bike in about a month or so, but I did let a family member ride it and went through the mud and got it all nasty. I did have a axle boot break, which caused a CV axle to go bad, so that's part of this video series. I'm replacing the rear CV axle on the driver's side. But for now, I'm going to give this old Betsy a bath and clean it up before we start tearing it apart, probably sometime today. If not, it'll be in the next video series. Like I said, it's just a follow-up video. Like I said, it should be the first of many in the series I'm going to be doing this summer. But give you a little quick walk around of the side-by-side and see what we're working with. So it's a 2017 RZR S 900 EPS. I've had it since new. I bought it in mid 2017, middle of summertime. Sorry about that. It has roughly about 1,200 miles, and it's been honestly trouble-free. This is the first failure I've had so far on it, so I'm not complaining too much. I am going to be rechanging the drive belt, which has 1,200 miles on it. It's the original drive belt. It hasn't broke or anything like that, but I don't want to take the chance of it, you know, breaking on me sometime soon. So that's about it. Let me get started on this cleanup, and then we'll go from there. So I just wrapped up washing the side-by-side. It's pretty darn clean. However, if you notice in the plastic on the mud flaps, it's a little hazy, which is pretty common for this type of plastic. I'm going to be using some Maxima SC1 new bike in a can, high gloss coating. It's pretty good stuff. It's very expensive. It's about $11 a can. However, it does make it look like a brand new side-by-side. And here we go, we're going to apply it. So this is a little bit of the after. I use about a quarter of the can to clean it. Nice and shiny. Gives a nice gloss finish. Cleans it up really well. I like it. It's a little on the expensive side, but it's definitely worth it. Worth the $11 for the can. Highly recommend this stuff if you own a side-by-side, RZR dirt bike, or basically any unpainted black trim vehicle. Stuff works really well on. Yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned to the next video. Stay tuned to the next video. I'll have the axle replaced, and we're going to be changing the CVT drive belt on it. Alright, see ya.